Hey guys, we've got another Toyota video for you guys. This is from Sixth Element, and this is going to be their off-road tailpipe mod. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what's inside, and we'll then go ahead and install it and see the difference. So I actually ordered this right when they were available to order. Little sticker. There we go. Stainless steel, TIG welded, exhaust hanger. Nice. So basically, this is going to take our muffler pipe, which has like a tiny muffler slash resonator on there, and dump it right over there. Because if you can't quite tell, not only is that hideous, but it also hangs really low. So if you do any sort of off-roading, you'll probably destroy that almost immediately. So let's go ahead and get that installed and see the difference and see if it's any louder, which I heard it is not. So let's see. So installation seems to be pretty straightforward. There's two 14mm nuts right there, and then you just remove those, just remove it out of the hanger, and the exhaust should slip out. Might be a little harder on that area, but looks pretty doable while laying under the car. So let's take a look. So you have a hanger back here and a hanger up there. So you're gonna want to pull it out of the exhaust hangers, and it should free up. Since I don't see this truck having any muffler on it for the foreseeable future, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the hanger entirely from the rear section. So just spray it some WD-40 and pry it out, since I don't have a hanger removal tool. There we have it. We have the old muffler removed. Now let's go ahead and install the axle dump. So we have that. We have the gasket, which we kept from the old one, so we'll be sure to put that in too. And there we have it. We have it installed. Super easy to install. You just gotta lay under the car, remove those two bolts, take it out of the hangers, and pop in the new one. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and start it up now and see if we hear a difference. Probably not. You can definitely hear a difference. Right, little change of scenery, but now let's go ahead and hear it again. So I've been able to kind of drive it around for a few hours now, and I could tell you from inside the car, zero difference at all. You cannot tell that you changed anything. I'm sure, you know, the car is probably a little bit happier with the 10 less pounds, if even that it has. But I think it's really cool. You know, it definitely changed how the rear end looks, because now there is a giant muffler, or I guess exhaust tip, hanging right there. Now it's, you know, just dump in right below the axle. Super easy to install. I definitely recommend it if you own one of these new Tacomas. If you have a Trail Hunter, good thing is you already have one of these. If you have the TRD Pro,
you have a nicer exhaust. But if you have a regular model like me, you know, whether it's an SR5 or TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, I'd definitely give this a shot. You know, it's only $100, so you're not really spending a whole lot of money to get it. You know, there are other aftermarket solutions that cost a lot more. Like there's a titanium one, which is cool, but I don't think you need a titanium, you know, 3-4 inches of exhaust on your Tacoma. And there's an OEM one from the Trail Hunter, so I guess if you are an OEM guy, you can definitely buy the OEM one. But you know, for $100 you can't beat this. I'll give you guys another exhaust clip. Let's go right under this time. I don't know how well that translates on the camera's audio, but it sounds cool, I guess. I mean, it just sounds like a 4-cylinder, you know, nothing special to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, check out the links below. I'm not sponsored or anything by this brand. I just thought it was a really cool piece. Just came out. I like to support small businesses, and I've heard a lot of good things about this company by people who, you know, are in the Hyundai world and build their Hyundais. So give them a shot. $100. Tell them I sent you, if they know who I am. I don't think they know who I am, but yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, you really can't hear it.